How to text the person that has already blocked you on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can text the person that has already blocked you. First of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram app on your device so that you won't miss out on any features. After that, head into your Instagram account and tap the account that you want to block. I'll tap on its profile. On the top right side, I'll see 3 vertical dots right here and block the account. So you can see that I've already blocked the account right here. Now, even if the person messages me, I won't be able to see it. When we just change our account and try to see if we can talk to this person or not, then we might have been able to message the person, but this message will not be sent to that person. So how you can talk to them is create a group. Tap on this note option, then tap on the create group chat and tap on the person that you want to create the group to. After that, you can just open group chat just like this. Now you have created the group and now you can simply talk to the very person and the person will be able to see your message just like that. I hope this video helped you. If you liked the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video.